Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Come on, join first. I can see Sushmita is there. Come on, join first so that we can start our class. I can see Love, Suraj, Lisa De, Khushbu Chetri, Samriddha, Ankit Gupta, Suraj Prasad, Komal Agarwal, Tanisha Sarkar, Karan Agarwal. This is Tushar Agarwal. Okay. Ankit Singh, Srija De, Ankit Singh, Mamta Agarwal. Okay. Come on, fast. Join first so that we can start our class. Join first. Just one question, all of you. Like, if I show you something, say, can you see this? Can you see this clearly? What I shown you, if you can see this clearly, just write in the comment. Rishiraj Agarwal has come. Aditya Sharma, Sanjeev Karke. It's again not visible. Don't worry, it will be visible clearly. Don't worry, all of you. It will be visible clearly. Where the other students? Where the other students? I don't know. Good morning. Sagnik has come. Good morning. Where the other students? Okay. In our previous class, what we discussed in your previous, not in previous class, previous classes, like this chapter, I think today is the third class. Okay. In this third live session, in the third live session, I discussed about, in this third live session, means in the previous sessions, we discussed about reflection of light, laws of reflection of light. After that, I discussed then the formation of image of a point object, then formation of image of an extended object, right? All this we discussed. Then I told you, about what are the properties of image formed by a plane mirror. What are those properties formed by a plane mirror? The first property is the distance between mirror and the object equal to the distance between image and the mirror. I mean, object distance equal to image distance. Okay, object distance equal to image distance. Number two, property number two is the object height and the image height will be same. Okay, height of the object and height of the image. if when I'm standing in front of the mirror, when I'm standing in front of the mirror means I'm the object, and what I'm seeing in the mirror, that is the image. Correct. So object height and image height are same. Number two. This is number two. Number three, what we said? Yes, lateral inversion occurs. Lateral inversion means if I move my right hand, then I will see that my image is moving left hand. Okay, that is called lateral inversion occurs. Fine. Now, so after that, we discussed something in our last live session, but because of the problem in because there was a problem in your network issue, that's why we could not see the things clearly. I hope this problem will be solved today. This problem will be solved today, don't worry. And if you remember, I told you that day, I'm drawing the figure again, like I'm drawing mirror. Okay, and here is the point. Just see, can you see here? Is it visible? Whatever I shown you now, is it visible? Uh, okay, Rishira saying yes. Okay, let's see others answers. The figure which I shown you now, again I'm showing you. Just see. This is the figure. If it is clear to you, just write in the comment. Just write in the comment. Rishira saying yes. Okay, now Samrita is also saying yes. Rija, they all are saying yes, yes, yes. Okay, fine, fine. It's clear. Means network is little okay now. Network is little okay now. That's you are saying yes, sir. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Someone is saying crystal clear. Okay, good, fine. Okay, so I told you that that day that this is a mirror. This is mirror. Okay, and you are standing in between. Okay, in between you are standing. So mirrors I am keeping like this or keeping like this means just I am changing the angle between the mirrors. Understood? I'm just changing the angle between the mirrors. Okay, so if I do this, then the angle is bigger. If I do this, the angle is smaller. So just I am changing the angles by doing this. Okay, and you are standing in between the mirrors. Okay, you are standing in between the mirrors. Now if I ask you how many images will form if you standing in between two mirrors, and the mirrors are making any angle between them, and if I ask you how many images you will see of yourself, for that I told you a formula. I hope you remember this formula. N equal to 360 by theta. Yes, 360 by theta minus 1. This is the formula I told you. I hope you can see this. You can see this, I hope. So n equal to, n is the number of images, then 360 by theta minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. Understood? Don't forget. Important. This will come in your half yearly exam. Don't worry. Half yearly final. It's important formula. 360 by theta minus 1. Theta is the angle between the mirrors. Yes, angle between the mirrors. Now, we have done two numericals in our last session. Okay, two numericals we have done in our last session. That if the angle between two mirrors is 60 degree, then how many images will form? If two mirrors are perpendicular to each other, then how many images will form? If two images are parallel, when two images are when two mirrors are parallel, then what is the angle between them? The angle between them is 0. So 360 by 0 minus 1. 360 by 0 is any number by 0 is infinity. We have done that. We did in trigonometry. Any number by 0 means infinity, and infinity minus 1 is also infinity. Okay, infinity minus 1 is infinity. Understood? So when two mirrors are parallel and you are standing between them, we get lot of images, infinity number of images. Like I told you, when you go to a barber shop, I mean salon, then you will see there that in front of you mirrors are there, back of you also mirrors are there. Then you get number of images. You just next time whenever you are going to a barber shop, you just try to count that. Okay. Then I asked you a question in my last live class, that you are standing 5 meter away from a plane mirror. Okay, 5 meter away from a plane mirror. So in that case, you will get your object image. Okay, you will get your image. So image will be at a distance of 5 meter. Fine. You are standing at a distance of 5 meter from the mirror, so you will get your image 5 meter away from the mirror. So I'm drawing this one. That day I could not show you because of the network issue, but today I'm showing you. Just try to understand this. First, you are standing 5 meter away the mirror. Then where the image will form? Image will form 5 meter back of the mirror, like this. Okay, all of you, can you see it? All of you, can you see it clearly now? So see, O is the object and O dash is the image. So this is the object which is at a distance of 5 meter. So image will be at a distance of 5 meter. Okay, understood? And I hope there's no doubt on this. Object is at a distance of 5 meter from the mirror. So image will be formed at a distance of 5 meter from the mirror. Got it? Now, um, now if I place the mirror, if I change the position of the mirror by 2 meter, okay, away from you. So first position I have shown you. The next position I'm showing you now. The next position is next position. So 2 meter and this is 3 meter. Now I'm showing you the next position. See, position number 2. It was position number 1. See, position number 1, 5 meter, 5 meter. Now mirror is replaced by, see, I've changed the position of the mirror by 2 meter. Okay, the position of the mirror is changed now by 2 meter. Okay, now this is the first position of the mirror, this is the second position of the mirror, and it's 2 meter. I told you that day in the question, it's 2 meter. Now if this is 2 meter, then this will be 3 meter. Okay, because this was total 5 meter from here to here, it was 5 meter. So now this is 2 meter, so this is 3 meter. Okay, this is 3 meter. Now can you tell me what is the distance between you and the mirror now? Means object distance. What is the object distance now? Mirror in the second position now. When the mirror is here, then what is the distance between you and the mirror? I mean object distance. Answer me, what is the object distance now? Yes, 7 meter, correct. Now you and your mirror is 7 meter at a distance of 7 meter. Very good. 7 meter. Riddhi Agarwal has written, no, Riddhi, try to understand, it's 6 meter. Sorry, it's not 6 meter, it's 7 meter. So now you are at a distance of 7 meter from the mirror. Your image will be formed at a distance of 7 meter, right? Your image will be formed at a distance of 7 meter from the, see, now this is your image, this is your position, and this is the position of the mirror. So what is this? This is 7, no? Because 5 plus 2, 7. So another 7 meter away the image will form. Okay, this is the mirror, another 7 meter away the image will form. This is the second image. So the first image is, see, first image is at a distance of 3 meter from the second position of the mirror. This is 3 meter, and from here to here this will be of 7 meter. Okay, image distance 7 meter. So this complete one is 7, but this one is 3. 7 minus 3 is, this one is 4. So 4 meter. The 4 meter is the distance between the first image and the second image. Try to understand, all of you. It's not difficult at all. Okay, it's not difficult at all. It's not difficult at all. Try to understand. It's not difficult at all. Like you have to, the main theory is what distance you are there, the same distance the image will form. Okay, let's see some comments I can see. Samadrita is saying, sir, understood. Okay, okay. Rishi Rajagoral also understood. Uncle Paul, sir, done. Understood. Uh, yes, yes, understood. Okay, understood. Fine. If you have understood, okay, good. Very good. Okay. Someone is saying, sir, can you please repeat again? Yes, yes, I can repeat again. No problem. Piyush Agarwal is, sir, please repeat again. Okay. See this figure. Try to understand this figure. If you can see this figure, first of all, Piyush, just tell me, can you see this figure clearly? First of all, this is the first position of the mirror. When this is the first position of the mirror, you are at a distance of 5 meter. So 5 meter back the image will formed. This is the image forming. Okay. Now this is 5 meter away, and this is 5 meter away the image will form. Now what we are doing, this mirror you are changing the position by 2 meter. You are taking back. Okay. This is the first position of the mirror. Now it's okay, 2 meter. So this is the second position of the mirror now. Now tell me, what is the distance between you and the mirror? Is 7 meter. No, this is 5 plus 2, 7 meter. Now you are at a distance of 7 meter from the mirror. That means the image will be formed at a distance of 7 meter. Okay, this is 7 meter. So this will also be 7 meter. Understood? This object distance is 7 meter. So image will be formed at a distance of 7 meter. Say 7 meter it's forming. Okay. This complete one is 7 meter. Now this was total 5. That is 2, 3. Now this total is 7. And this much is 3. So this much is 4. In this way, the distance between the images in two positions is 4 meter. Try to understand. It's not a difficult sum at all. Okay. The main theory, what I tell, the main theory is the distance between, the main theory is the object distance and the image distance is always same. Object distance and image distance is always same. That is the main theory. Okay. Now, two more numericals we'll do. All of you write this numericals. After that, we'll discuss. Okay. one more sum. Okay, one more sum. An object is kept. Write this numerical. An object is kept at 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. If the mirror is now moved by moved by 30 centimeter away the object, 30 centimeter away the object, then find the distance of the previous and final position of the image. Previous and final position of the image. Previous and final position of the image. Same sum, the what we discussed, it's same. So you solve it and tell me the answer. Okay, you solve it and tell me the answer. I am also solving so that I can check yours. Give the first image O dash and second image O double dash. That's enough. What is the answer? Given the answer, I am not telling you that this is correct or wrong. Let me see others' answers also. Other students give the answer. After that, I'll tell you that what's the correct answer. Sorry. I can see Rishiraj Agarwal, Komal Agarwal. Sorry. Komal Agarwal, Sagnik. Okay. Khalko. Okay. 80 centimeters she has got. Samriddha 60 centimeter. Okay. Riddhi Agarwal got. Sorry. Riddhi Agarwal got 60 centimeter. Samadrita Shah 60 centimeter. Lizzie 60 centimeter. Okay. Are Darika Singh has got 70 centimeter. Liza they got 80 centimeter. Samadrita. Samadrita Shah. Like Samadrita Shah. Okay. No. This is who is this? Shalini Khalko. She has written initial 50 centimeter, final 80 centimeter. No, no, not this one I have asked. I asked what is the distance between, what is the distance between final position of the image and the initial position of the image. This is what I asked. Okay, this is what I asked. Now 60 centimeter I can see. Initially 60 centimeter. Lot of students are answering 60 centimeter. Yes, 60 centimeter is the correct answer, like the previous sum. And remember, I'll give you this type, one type of this sum in your half yearly. Okay, so 60 centimeter is the correct answer. I don't think that I have to show you the calculation, because in the previous sum you have seen the calculation. So here I do not require, I think, to show you the calculation. Okay. Okay. Now next sum, next numerical, write the numerical. Next one. All of you write this numerical. Right. A chart of letters, a chart of letters. Letters means like alphabet A, B, C, D. Okay. A chart of letters is placed, is placed 3 meter behind you. Okay. A chart of letters is placed 3 meter behind you, and and you have to, and you have to you have to read those letters, you have to read those letters letters by using a plane mirror, by using a plane using a plane mirror kept 4 meter in front of you. Understood the theory? 4 meter in front of you means here is the chart. To see the chart, there is a mirror. Okay, I will see, look at the mirror, and I will read those letters. The letters are behind me. Understood? Try to understand the question. Uh, so what I said, the letters are kept 3 meter behind you, and the mirror is placed 4 meter in front of you. No, 4 meter. I forgot the question. It's 4 meter. The 3 meter behind you, the letters, and 4 meter in front of you, the mirror is kept. Okay. Now, okay. What is the distance? Continue this question. What is the distance what is the distance between you and the image of the letters? What is the distance between you and the image of the letters? This is the question. First you try, after that I will show you. First you try. First you try and tell me the answer. Only one answer I have got. Rishiraj has given the answer. I have also calculated, but I'll not show you now. Tell me the answer first. Let me see your answer after that. I will show you my answer. Okay, I'm getting Aditya's given answer. Riddhi Agarwal, Piyush Agarwal, all are saying 11 meter, 11 meter. All are saying 11 meter. Let's see other answers. Samrita has given answer. Srija De. Okay. Ankit Gupta, Khushbu. All are writing 11 meter. All are writing. Sagnik has also given answer. Where is Samadrita? Where is Samadrita? Ankurpal has given answer. Komal Agarwal. All are given correct answer. Where is Samadrita? Okay. Samadrita is saying 11 meter. Okay. Love Vardeva. I'm sure that you have calculated it. It's a very easy numerical. No, it was a very easy numerical. I will show you now. Say I am sitting here, and behind me a chart is there. 3 meter behind a chart is there, and from me 4 meter away a mirror is there. See, I have tried to draw this situation. Try to understand this. If you can see this figure, this is the mirror, and here is the person, see, looking at the mirror. Okay, chart is at a distance of 3 meter from the person. This is the person. Okay, can you see this figure clearly? Can you see this figure clearly? This is the person, and here is the mirror, and distance between the person and the mirror is 4 meter. The distance between the person and the mirror is 4 meter, and from the person 3 meter behind the chart is there. C for chart. C for chart. Now it's very easy. What is the distance between the chart and the mirror? Just you tell me what is the distance between chart and the mirror. It's 7 meter, because 4 and 3, 7 meter. Okay, 7 meter. So what is the distance of the image from the mirror? This is the mirror, and distance of the image, C dash is the image. C dash is the image. It's 7 meter. Now what is the distance between you and the image? 7 plus 4, 11 meter. Correct answer, 11 meter. Okay. So this is the solution. I hope you understood. Okay. I hope you understood this. Fine. Fine. Now, one question comes in the exam, like one question comes in the exam that two plane mirrors are kept parallelly. Okay, two plane mirrors are kept parallelly, and you are standing between them. How many images will form? Very easy. Infinity number of images. We know the formula, n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. Okay, we know that. But uh, if the drawing comes, if they ask you the drawing, okay, then you have to draw it and discuss how the infinity number of images are forming. Okay, that you have to say. Infinity number of images, how the infinity number of images are forming. I will teach you that drawing is important. And you know what, this session 2020 board exam, this question was there. Understood? Two parallel mirrors, because this is also there in class 10. Two plane mirrors are there, and if you are standing in between the plane mirrors, How many images will form? Draw it. Now, if you ask me that how many images will form? Infinity number of images. Do you have to draw infinity number of images? No, not required. Just show 3 images. 3 images you show. Okay, I'll show you the complete drawing. See, first of all, this is a mirror. This is another mirror. Okay. See, 2 plane mirror, and in between 2 plane mirror, one point is there, that is M. Okay, 2 plane mirrors are there, and in between 2 plane mirrors you are standing, and say you are M. Okay, Samudrita has written something. Sir, this chapter is very interesting. Okay, you are finding the chapter interesting. Fine, good. Okay, fine. So in between 2 plane mirrors you are standing, and now we will take out the we will show the formation of images. Infinity number of images will form. We don't have to show infinity number of images, just will show 3 images. Okay, that's enough. So for that, see, for that what we'll do, I'm showing you. I'm showing you what you have to do. This was there in this session's board exam. Okay, see, can you see the rays which are going from M and reflecting by this mirror? See, okay, from this object M, the rays are going and reflected by the mirror, again reflecting by the mirror. Okay, again it will reflect by the mirror, but I'm not going to draw all this. It will continue reflecting. Okay, it will continue reflecting. Understood? See here, from here the ray is going, reflected by this mirror, again reflected by this mirror, again it will reflect by this mirror, again it will reflect by this mirror, again this. In this way the reflection will go on. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just extend this line. Okay, all the reflected line we have to extend. What I said, all the reflected lights, I'm showing you, you'll understand it. Reflected light, I have to extend them back. Reflected light, all the reflected light. See, this is the reflected light. I have extended them back. Okay, extended them back. I got M1. This reflected light, okay, reflected light, I'm getting them back and got M2. Here again it reflects. Let's draw it. I'm drawing it for you. Here again it reflects. Then see, another I have drawn. This is reflected ray are going. I'm extended them back. So I got M3. So can you see, M is the object, M1 is the image I have got, M2 is the image I have got, M3 is the another image I have got. In this way you will get M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9 means all the odd numbers you will get here, all the even numbers of images you will get here. Okay, so number of images you will get. Okay, both the side number of images you will get means infinity number of images, because lights are continuously reflecting. So number of images you will go there here, number of images you will go get here. So that's why we call that infinity number of images will form. I hope you understood this diagram. Okay, so if I ask you that how plane mirrors creates infinity number of images, then you have to show me this drawing. See here, I have shown only 3 images. That's enough. We'll do that only in the exam. Okay, 3. Understood this drawing? Now here, I hope you understood this drawing. Now, one thing you might have noticed, that object and all the images are lying on the same line. Again, I am drawing this for you. Number of images and object all are lying on the same line. See image and the object all are lying on the same line. Okay, so when you draw in the exam paper, don't show that M3 is here, M1 is here, M is there, this there. No, not that. This way you'll draw. Okay, all should lie on the same line. Okay, important drawing. I told you that this was there in, yes, this was there in board exam. And in board exam, instead of mirror, glass slab was there. Okay, glass ka tukra, kach ka tukra. Instead of mirror, a glass slab they mentioned. Drawing, same drawing. But here we are not going to discuss the glass slab because it's there in class 10, not now. Okay. Okay. I will show you another formation of images, another formation. Okay. First of all, can you answer me? If two mirrors are perpendicular to each other, how many images will form? Should I repeat the question? If two mirrors are kept perpendicular to each other, then how many images will form? Can you answer me? Yes. Rishi Raj is saying 4. Ankit Gupta is saying 0. My God. Komal Agarwal saying 3. Ankit Gupta 4. Rishi Raj Agarwal has deleted his comment. Okay. Answer me, all of you. Yes. Catherine is saying 3. Rishi Raj 3. Then Sagnik 3. Tanisha 3. Samudrita 3. Piyush Agarwal 3. Okay, 3. Yes. So what is the formula? Who has written infinity? Rito Bluto de infinity, not infinity. Uh, um, 360 by theta minus 1. I told both the mirrors are perpendicular. Both the mirrors are perpendicular means angle between them is 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. 360 by 90 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1, 3. Yes, 3 is the correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. We discussed it. Now the question is that, can you draw it? Where 3 image will form? Can you draw it? Yes, you have to draw. You have to draw this. I will show you that drawing now. Okay. I will show you that drawing now. Very important. So first of all, I have to draw two mirrors which are perpendicular to each other. Okay. And Okay, see, this is the two mirror. Okay, two plane mirror. Huh? Two plane mirrors are perpendicular to each other, and M is the object. Okay, M is the object. So as you know, you have only answered that three images will form. Okay, three images will form. So how these three images will form, that I will show you now. I will show you that. I'll show you that only, how these three images are forming. How these three images are forming. See, and as I told you that you will draw, you will extend, the, what you will extend, you will extend only the reflected dress. Okay, you will extend only the reflected dress. Okay, only the reflected dress. I will show you that. M1, M2. Okay, I'll show you that. See here, see this figure. It's little bit complicated, but if you understand, the things will come very easy. See, this is the plane mirror. Okay, and this is the object. From here, two rays are going. Okay, that two rays are reflected. So I told you, the reflected rays you have to get back. See, the reflected rays only I am getting it back, not the incident ray. This is incident ray. I'm not taking the incident ray. I'm taking the reflected ray back. So I will get M1, the first image. Then again from here the rays are reflecting. From here again you have to extend the rays, reflected ray, only reflected ray. So I will get another image. So this is the first image, this is the second image I am getting. Where is the third image? Third image you will get. This is a plane mirror. This is the object. The object is in front of the plane mirror. So directly you will get a image here. Okay, like this. This is M3. See, this is another image you will get. This is another image. So what is the distance between this object and this mirror? See, the distance between image and this mirror. Okay. Now, if you ask me that by this mirror, the image is forming, then where is the image formed by this mirror? It's already formed. See, this is the object and the same distance, this is the image. So we are getting three images. 1, 2, 3. Three images we are getting. Understood? And you have to see, you have to notice. See, you have to notice the distance between here and the distance here are same. and the distance here and the distance here are same. Not only that, the distance from this point to this object and the distance between this point to this image will be same. I mean this equal to this. Okay, this equal to this. So understood this? Understood? So these are the two diagrams. First of all, I shown you this diagram. These two diagrams are very important. First of all, this one, and second is this one. Out of these two diagram, one diagram will come in the exam. Understood? Out of these two diagram, any one diagram will come in the exam. It's very important. Okay. Now, we'll end up the class. Now, all of you, one by one, you will write your name here and then you can leave the class. Okay. Start writing your name. Start writing your name and then you can leave the class. Fine. Start. Ankur Paul, Sagnik Bhomik, Karan Agarwal, Tanisha, Piyush. All of you write your name and then you can leave the class. Piyush. Okay. Ayush Sutradhar, Sudhanshu, Sneha, Aditya Sharma, Agnik, Rishiraj, Srija De, Shushmita, Catherine, Riddhi Prasad, Ankit, then Svikar, Komal, Lizzie, Shreyashi, Rajdeep, Irfana, then Salini, Ritobroto, Riddhi Agarwal, Khushi, then Sneha Prasad, then Dareka, Sanjog, Samriddha, Liza De, Bhumika, Smarta, Anushka, Samadrita, Anesha, Love, Riddhi Agarwal, Shreyashi Datta, Khushi Chetri, Ankit Kumar Gupta. Okay, so they are the students who were present. Fine. So this much today. Next day we'll continue the chapter. We'll discuss more. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Thank you all.